Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna demonstrate how to create logical volume. One of the advantages having logical volume is online resizing and also multiplying, grouping multiple EBS volumes into one. You can strip data across multiple volumes, and also in case of restoring from AMI, in case of disaster, it would initialize faster when you spread data across multiple EBS volumes. So let's create 3 EBS volumes, attach them to our Linux instance, and create logical volume from it. So on the left side, we're gonna select volumes. We're gonna create 3 volumes. In this case, we're gonna use small volumes to save on cost. Okay, let's refresh page. You can see we have 3 10 gigabytes volumes available. So let's go back to our instance and let's attach those volumes. We're gonna click on storage, action storage, attach volume. We're gonna choose first volume, select device, available device name. Next available name is dev SDC. And let's select the third one and attach to instance. Next available name dev SDD. Okay, select storage, and we can see, let's refresh it. Yeah, we can see volumes that we attached. So now we're gonna go to the system manager, and we're gonna use this service to SSH into our instance. This is our instance, LVDemo. So we're gonna click on Node Actions, Connect, Start Terminal Session. Sudo-i to get our sudo privileges. And let's check our disks. So we can see first disk NVMe 0 and 1, 8 GB, that's our root. And we can see our 3 disks that we just created and attached to our instance. So first what we have to do, create physical volume. So let's see if we have pvcreate available. Okay, so command not found. Let's install it. So we're gonna use dnf install LVM 2. Click yes. Okay, let's clear screen. Let's check if we have pvcreate. Okay, so pvcreate is now available. So let's do one more time, lsblk. Okay, so we're gonna do pvcreate. So our first device is dev NVMe 1 and 1. Second device is dev NVMe 2 and 1. And the third one is dev NVMe 3 and 1. I'm gonna just put this in my clipboard because I gonna need it to create VG. Okay, we can run pvs, so we can see that we have physical volume and created of 3 logical volumes. Next step is to we have like 1 physical volume created of 3 volumes. Next step is to create VG. So we're gonna use vgcreate. We're gonna give it name testvg, and we're gonna put our devices that we're gonna use. There you go. We can use vgs command to show that the name of our VG and VG that's created. We can see it's 29.99 gigabytes. So now that we have a virtual group, we're gonna create logical volume. Command for that is lvcreate. We're gonna call it -n and lvdemo. That's logical volume name. We're gonna do striping. We're gonna say stripe it across our 3 devices. And size is gonna be, let's see if we can do 30 gigabytes. And logical volume we're gonna call testvg. Okay, so we don't have enough space, so let's say instead 30 we're gonna use 29 gigabytes. Oops. Okay, now we're gonna create file system. XFS on dev, testvg on LV logical volume demo. Okay, now that we created file system, let's mount our file system. So what we're gonna do, we have to make folder. Let's make sure we are in the right path. Yeah. So we're gonna do make directory called demo. And next step is to mount this new file system, and we're gonna mount it permanently. So to do that, we're gonna edit our like etc fstab. Let's try it this way to see if it's gonna work. testvg. Mount point is gonna be demo. Okay, Now that we have a line in our fstab, let's save it, and we're gonna run mount-a to see if it's working. Oh, looks like we have something not spelled well. Okay, looks fine now. Let's try one more time. Okay, so I think it doesn't like this line dev mapper testvg. So let's find UID for this new volume. We can do that running dlkid. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna copy that and we're gonna replace this part with UID. Paste that and do a little fix here. Save it. Let's try one more time. Oh, I see. I am missing file system here. Okay, let's save it. Oh, looks like this time worked. And on the bottom we can see our file system mounted as demo, 29 gigabytes, 240 used. So there you go. With a little bit of trouble we created volume, logical volume, using 3 EBS volumes, and as I mentioned in the beginning, it would really initialize much faster using more volumes for bigger volumes. Thanks for watching.